Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button right here on the right side of the watch to open the workout menu. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through the list of workouts, find something you would like to use, and before we start it, you can also press the upper button on the left side to open the settings, and here you can change settings for always on display, power settings, you can share the HR with other devices, training suggestions, you can change the interval timer and countdown timer. And if you're done, you can press the back button, and now if you want to start the workout, press the middle button and the recording will start. And that's how it looks like when it's recording. We have the duration, the phases of the heart rate, calories burned. You can also make a lap time by pressing the middle button, like this. You can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list of options, and here we have heart rate graph, time and duration, and you can also control the music on your phone. If your phone is connected with your watch and you're listening to music, you can basically control it on your watch. And here you can press the middle button to open the menu, and we have previous song, next song, and play. So basically you need to use these buttons. And here we have a volume control, and you can adjust the volume by using the up and down buttons. Okay. You can also press the lower button to pause the workout, and then you can press and hold to resume it, I believe. Oh no, press and hold, it stops the recording. My bad. To unpause it, I believe you need to press it again. So let's actually try again. So let's open the workout menu, start the workout, pause. Oh, never mind. So this to continue the workout after you pause it. Yeah, middle button, my bad. And like I said before, and as you saw before, to stop the workout, you need to press and hold the lower button, or first press it, then press and hold it, and wait until the countdown is complete. The recording will end, and then you can press the X or rather back or middle button if you want to save the recording or discard it. I want to discard it, so I'm gonna press the back button. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.